So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom Group share. So after many days of continuous upside momentum, the stock today has given a lower circuit and it has closed near the 130 rupees level. So many people requested to make a separate technical analysis video on this particular stock. So obviously when market is in little bit of downside momentum, so upper circuit stocks, obviously their circuit gets opened, they come little bit down, again they go in the upside direction. So these things keep happening. So but coming to BCG stock, so you have seen some continuous momentum without any initial retracement. So in between it used to get open, it used to show signs that it is coming down, but again it used to go in the upside direction. But today morning itself, almost 40 to 50% sellers were ready to place their sell orders, and obviously in the opening itself we have seen the downward trend and it has closed in the lower circuit. So nothing to worry about it. So these are normal things. So obviously they keep happening. So we'll try to discuss some best levels on technical charts. So accordingly, if the stock comes to that regions, you can have an entry and even you can search for average opportunities. So make sure you're watching the video till the end. And if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by technical charts. I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so before going towards the technical levels, so first we'll try to analyze the day-to-day wise deliveries. So if we observe on 26th November, we have seen almost 43.4% deliveries, and if we try to compare that with the previous sessions, so we can say little bit of decrement was present in the last 3 sessions. So why the decrement was present? So obviously market was little volatile, so it is showing some huge swings. It is coming down, again it is going in the positive direction, again profit booking is happening. So what is that creating in the market? So basically it is increasing the trading volume. So when that trading volume happens, so small retail investors, or it may be big operators, so they start booking their profits. So ultimately retailers also start exiting and we see little bit of panic selling in the market. But we should not follow those rules. We should have a fixed criteria. When you're believing any company for a certain period of time, that is long term, so obviously you need to search for average opportunities, and at each and every dip you need to average. So that is one of the important things. So seeing the deliveries, obviously little traded volume was increasing, and that actually made the circuit open, and the stock ultimately little bit of profit booking was observed. Okay. So now let's go to technical charts. So both on weekly chart and daily chart, we'll try to analyze all the levels. Okay. So if we observe the weekly chart time frame, so we can see from 140 we have seen a little bit of fall in the stock, and we can say this is the first day of the week. So starting off the week we have seen a red candle. So as I told, if you try to see the weekly chart, you can see continuous green candles have been formed. So very good momentum, and returns also it has given just in 1 month, 1 year also huge returns. So that people know who are regularly following me. So in between retracements are essential. So whatever the pullbacks we keep telling, so those are necessary. So that thing, if pullback is happening, so there you need to find some best level and you need to enter. So in weekly chart it is not that clear. So now let's go to daily chart. So there we'll see some important levels. Okay, so if we try to observe the daily chart, so in daily chart clearly we can see the stock was continuously open. It's not that it was giving direct upper circuit. So in between it has opened many times. Okay, many times it has opened, it has come down, again it used to go in the upside direction. So opportunity was there. So even if you have taken at low levels, so ultimately you are also getting a very good benefit even in just 2 to 3 sessions, right? So if we try to observe the technicals, so the first important level is coming around 120 rupees level. Okay, so this is going to be very important. So what is the first level? It is going to be 120. So after 120, So finally we have the 100 rupees level. So these can be the two most important levels that you need to watch out in the coming sessions. So what is the first level? So first level is going to be 120 and the second level is going to be 100. Okay, so these are only the two ultimate supports that we need to watch out at the current levels. So if you are getting a chance, if you want to buy it, so you can focus here. Okay, only try to buy when it is showing some retracement, like it is almost going to hit upper circuit, or it is exactly at the support region, what are the levels we have seen. So there you can go for buying. So this is very good stock, no doubt about that. So fundamentals, financials, everything are good. Only thing is it has given continuous movement. So when continuous movement is observed, so that retracement is necessary. If you see here, see here already it has given little retracement, went up. So again the retracement is necessary. Without that retracement, so obviously that we can't call it as a healthy movement. So if it is going continuously upside, so same way it will fall, right? So in between the retracements are necessary. So that is what the stock has given today. So that was mandatory. So if you want to buy it, you need to focus the levels and need to enter at the right moment. Okay, put in portions. Let's say first set near the 120, if it's showing retracement, if it is going little down, again near the next support level, that way you need to average. Okay, so these are the two important levels, and money flow index is around 79, not in highly overbought regions, so slightly the buying is still there, but you can see the volume also, it's not huge volumes are present in the sell side. So moderate volumes are there, so nobody is actually, people are holding, they're still holding. So only who are trying to book short-term profits, so they have exited. So again you'll get that opportunity, so don't worry. Any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDerivity. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.